Hey guys, so I want to do a look with the Friendcation palette. I just got it on sale at Ulta the other day, which I told you guys. And I opened it, I did swatch it a little bit, but like I didn't do a look with it yet, and I haven't really like tested it, I just swatched it. So look how freaking pretty this is, because I have their small one. So I have their smaller one that they had made. If I remembered the little name of this, I would tell you. This palette is extremely dirty because the shades just kind of like break apart. I wasn't a huge fan of this. I love DesixKaty so much. I've been watching them for so freaking long. But yeah, so I want to see how good this is because I heard that it was amazing, and I've been wanting to try some matte shades from Dose, so yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So one of the colors that intrigues me a lot is this like kind of bluish shade right here. So I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. This is called A Moment. Dang, that's gorgeous. So this is like a black with a purple shift is what it seems. Let me do one of the matte shades. So this one that I'm swatching is the one in the middle here, and it's called Girl Bye. That seems nice. It seems like it's gonna be super blendable. It's smooth. It's a really pretty color actually. I think I'm gonna use that color today. But yeah, so I am going to, so I've stopped, I'm sure this is going to make some of you guys super excited. I have stopped doing my eyebrows first and I do them last now. So yeah, I think I am going to put just a little bit of powder on my face for fallout reasons, because I do have somewhere to go today. But I don't have like somewhere to go, like, but I do have to go to the grocery store, and I would like to not be crazy all up in HEB, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna put a little bit. My skin has been really dry because of the weather here. It's been really windy for Texas, and it's also been like kind of cold, but I don't know, it's just been stupid. So I'm gonna get my hair clip, BRB. Okay, so I'm just gonna have this little thing on the top of my head because my hair is not wanting to do anything else. Yeah, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna go in with a Morphe M510, and I'm gonna take this shade here, which is called Basic. There's a bit of kick up. I did kind of go hard in the pan, so I'll just make sure I don't go as hard next time. And I'm just kind of putting that all over the lid and just bringing it out a bit. And then I'm going to switch brushes, and I'm going in with the Lab Squared Just Blending In brush. And I'm just going to go into Necessary, which is this kind of like, it's a little bit darker than Basic. It seems like it might have a little bit of brown in it. Kind of reminds me of a latte. And I'm just going to take this in the crease a bit. Well, not in the crease, but for hooded eyelids, you know, above the crease. So I'm just taking it a bit above the crease. I'm sorry if you hear dogs barking. There's like these crazy dogs that go into the dog park at my apartment quite often, and they're there right now. This shade is really pretty. Like, I would love to use this on like a no makeup day. Let me know down below if you guys bought this palette and what you think of it. And I'm kind of digging in the socket here a bit. There is just a little bit of fallout under here, but like I said, I always put that powder down just so that I can make sure that it's gonna look good in the end. Because I think I told you guys that I used to have like blue under eyes whenever I was younger, because I used to wear really, really dark blue eyeshadow to school all the time, and like black, and I didn't like wipe it off like with anything, and I'm like, what the heck was I doing? I would just like rub it into my face pretty much. That is so embarrassing. I'll have to like show you guys one day. So I'm gonna go in with an M433, and I'm gonna go in with that shade that I swatched for you guys, the Girl Bye. And I just have that like on the side of the brush here. And then I'm just gonna tap that. Damn, that's pigmented. I'm just gonna tap that here and kind of bring it in a bit. Dang, this goes a really long way. This eyeshadow would be perfect for like a cranberry look. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go back in with that Just Blending In brush and kind of blend this out. And it's okay that I just took most of it away. I'm gonna add some more a little bit in a minute. And that's not the fault of the eyeshadow that it's not sticking, it's just because I do have that basic shade everywhere, so it's kind of just coming off. But yeah, for not using a primer, this is really great. Even for like, I don't know, it's good. And then I'm just gonna go back in with that shade one more time here and kind of deepen up the crease a bit. I'm going a little bit harder in there now. And I'm kind of going with the side of the brush. And then I'm gonna go back in with, I wanna call this Latte now, Necessary. And just blend that out a little. I gotta go to the grocery store. Merp. Cool. So that's what I have so far. Let me go in with one of these really pretty sparkly shades. What is this? So this color is Try Me. And let's just try her. Wow, that's really, really pretty. So this color is kind of like a rose gold. Like, it's pink, but it has gold in it. Like gold reflect. I think that's what I'm seeing here. Yeah, that's gorge. Let's do that. We're about to be popping up in this grocery store, girl. So, I'm going to go in with that flat brush from the Alamar collection. And I'm just going to take that dry and see what we got going on here. So it does not apply well with just like a dry base and dry brush. I'm just going to put a little bit more on this side so it'll be equal. But I'm pretty sure that they kind of market this as like you need to use like your fingers or something. Yeah, with your fingers, it's awesome. So let me just add that here. So I'm just gonna take this Revolution BX95 brush. It's like a pencil brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Just a Kiss, which is this kind of sparkly shade up here. Or down here in the palette. And then with this, I am actually gonna spray my brush with a little bit of the Chill Spray from UD. And I'm gonna put this in my inner corner, see what we got going on. Zam bam! Do you guys see that? I'm gonna zoom you in. Hopefully it's picking up on camera. Sorry that I'm kind of squinty. The sun is shining today. Let me just tell you. This is so pretty. It's kind of more like a nighttime look, so I'm gonna be going somewhere and they really are gonna think I'm crazy, but you know what? You just gotta live your life sometimes. You really do. I almost always take my inner corner too far down. That's apparently where I live my life. Dang, that's pretty. Okay. And then I'm gonna go back in with that flat brush from the Alamar. Oh no. I got some of this spray on the mirror. And then I'm just gonna put that in the center. Yeah, it works really good whenever you have it wet with setting spray. Dang, that's pretty. And then I'm just gonna kind of blend those together right there. I feel like these sparkly shades would be really pretty with a glitter glue. Cool. So I'm going to go back in with that N433, and I'm just going to take a little bit more of Girl Bye and put that on the edge here. Okay guys, so this is the look that I ended up creating with the palette. I absolutely love it. I'm really liking this palette right now. I obviously didn't try the dark shades. I just tried the kind of like matte and more like cranberry shades. So yeah, so far I'm gonna definitely give the palette a 9 because I'm just really liking it. Yeah, so I hope that you guys liked the video, and I'm about to be so glam in this grocery store. Oh my god. Like, the camera really does take off about how much highlighter I have on right now, cause it's here, it's just you can't see how much it is on the camera. Anyways, but I hope that you guys liked the video, and if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.